Is an older family member or close friend showing signs of cognitive decline? If so, there are some steps you should take to ensure their physical being and financial assets are protected. Unfortunately, cognitive decline has become a common concern for older adults in the U.S. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease now affects as many as 1 in 10 adults. These conditions can drastically impact an individual's ability to handle their own affairs. They may suffer from severe memory loss, problems communicating, difficulty with problem solving or performing tasks, poor coordination, or confusion. Some may even have extreme personality changes. If a loved one is showing signs of cognitive decline, you'll need to take proactive steps to keep their health and their estate safe. Your next step will depend on one thing: how severe their cognitive impairment is. Are they able to care for themselves most days, with some exceptions, or are they incapable of taking care of themselves at all? If your loved one still has some degree of competence, you'll need to draw up these documents to help them protect themselves while they still can. Beneficiary designations on life insurance, bank accounts, and retirement accounts, medical power of attorney, statutory power of attorney and directive to physicians, and estate planning documents to ensure their desires will be fulfilled. When they are having a good day, take advantage of the opportunity to review all financial and personal arrangements together for the management of healthcare, nursing care, financial support, and ultimate disposition of the estate. Unfortunately, if your loved one is no longer competent, you're left with two options: a limited guardianship proceeding or a full guardianship proceeding. The type of guardianship needed will depend on several variables, including the assets they own, whether there is a spouse who can still manage community affairs, and whether your loved one can still perform some activities. You'll also need a physician's exam to confirm incompetence and assess whether there are any areas your loved one can still handle on their own. The best first step you can take is to meet with a qualified guardianship attorney in your state. Your attorney can help review your case and choose the best path to move forward for your loved one. It can be incredibly painful to see a loved one struggle with cognitive decline, but by following these steps, you can have peace of mind knowing that their physical being and estate are protected from themselves or anyone who might try to take advantage of them. If you live in the state of Texas and would like to discuss guardianship for a loved one, reach out to Adair M. Buckner today to get started.